In this video, you will learn how to add photo on a video in Capcut. Adding a photo to your video can make it more interesting and engaging. Whether you want to include a picture of yourself or a special moment, I will guide you step by step. To get started, open the Capcut app on your device. Once inside the app, tap on New Project to create a fresh canvas for your video. Next, import the video that you want to work with by selecting it from your gallery. Once selected, tap Add, and wait for it to load into your timeline. Now that your video is ready, let's add a photo. Tap on Overlay, located at the bottom of the screen. This option allows users to layer images over their videos seamlessly. Then tap on Add Overlay. From here, choose Photos. Browse through your collection and select the photo you wish to overlay onto your video. After selecting it, hit Add. Now that the photo appears on top of your video clip, you can move it around freely. Simply drag it with your finger to position it wherever you like within the frame. If you need to resize the photo, use the pinch gesture, placing 2 fingers on the screen and moving them apart or together will increase or decrease its size accordingly. At this point in time, it's essential to adjust how long you'd like this photo displayed in relation to your video. Look at the timeline below, you'll see both clips represented there. To change its duration, simply drag either side of the photo clip left or right. This will increase or decrease how long it stays visible during playback. Capcut also offers more options for customization. You can explore features like splice, this blends layers together for unique effects, or various animations that can give life and movement to your photos. Additionally, if there's part of the photo that isn't needed anymore, feel free to split it by positioning playhead where desired and tapping split. And if at any point you decide that you no longer want this particular image in your project, no problem, just select the photo overlay in your timeline and hit delete. It's as easy as that. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.